welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, it's quite awesome because I'm going to make something very cool. So today I was cleaning my storeroom. I got something like this, a pipe, a PVC pipe. With this I got my broken earpiece, this one, which was totally broken. I thought of discarding it, but I didn't. My mom told that you can do something cool with this, so I got a new idea. Let's make something awesome like this microphone. So today I'm going to make this microphone. So you have to cut this pipe like this, and you need a sponge, a blue tape, black tape or adhesive tape, a sandpaper, a holder like this, or a plastic cap like this, a pen knife, and the scissor. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use my mic, means my earpiece. I'll bring the earpiece here. Then we'll pass it through in this PVC. I'm very excited to make my own microphone. It's quite cheap because I'm using my own tools, means home tools which you'll find easily at home. Now you have to attach this with this. So I'm using my adhesive tape or black tape. I'll call it black tape because it's black in color. Already cut his. Yes, I got it. Hold it like this. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. My channel is related to art, videos, then best out of waste, great ideas of waste, and many more. Like this, to do it. I'm doing it in a cleaner manner so that it looks attractive. One more strip and done. You have to do a little bit tight so it looks cool. So it's done. Now I'm going to make this surface a little bit rough to paste some. Done. Now what I need to take is this sponge and make a hole, small hole. Where you can easily put your speaker, your mic. I'm cutting it. Share my video and give a comment so that I can improve in my video. I'll put this inside this. No, I have to make it a little bit more cuts. So I'm going to trim it a little bit more. Yes, it's done. I'm putting this, make it a little bit straight. Flat means. done. Now you have to do like this. Done. Yes, it's going to be finished. Now you have to cut the black tape. So your almost mic is done. But without the ArtLessNess twist, it's not done for me. So I'm going to use this blue tape. Where's the ending? Finally I got it. Yes. And I'm going to wrap it around till here to make it a little bit attractive. Yes. This. Yes, now it's done. Give a final finishing like this, and done. Again, you have to bring that. You have to bring this black tape again. Yes, I got the ending. Now you start wrapping it from this much. The microphone is completed. That's sound recorder. So I'm going to test it right now. So thanks for being with me today. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Oh, it's working here. Let's hear from my. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. So finally, thanks.